friends, this is Sandra of Nomad Stitches, and this is question of the week. Today's question comes from Anna, who recently purchased my zigzag summer top, but is having problems keeping her seam straight. So let me see if I can help you, Anna. First of all, you're not doing anything wrong. It's actually quite common for crochet seams to lean slightly when working in circular rounds, especially when doing double crochet or half double crochet. But I have a very easy solution for you. The trick is to turn your work at the end of every round after joining. That will align the stitches on top of each other and keep the seams nice and straight. Here's how you do it. After joining the round with a slip stitch, chain 1 or the appropriate number of chains for your stitch height. Turn your work so that the back of the previous round is facing you and begin working your next round as you normally would. And that's it. So give it a go and let me know how it goes.